Today, a landmark judgment has been delivered by the Honorable Guwahati High Court. You all know the sitting MP from Kokrajhar Lok Sabha constituency. He was contesting that seat for the year 2014 and 2019, and he is 2 times MP there. A complaint was lodged against him in the year 2019 by one Jonaklal Bosumotari, challenging that the certificate on the basis of which Nabakumar Soronia participated in the election process in a reserve category seat, that is not valid according to the complainant. And after receiving the complaint, the state level scrutiny committee under the concerned department, that is WPT and BC department at that relevant point of time, and now it is the Tribal Affairs Department of the Government of Assam, started the proceedings. Nabakumar Saronia's complaint was considered by the state level inquiry committee, and initially the vigilance committee was entrusted to verify the complaint, the factual things regarding the antecedents and doing the affinity test regarding the status of Nabakumar Soronia and his family. And the vigilance committee ultimately submitted the report on 4th of February 2020 that there is substantial materials in the complaint, and therefore an proper inquiry should be conducted by the state level inquiry committee. After receiving the complaint from the vigilance committee, the state level inquiry committee on 11th of March 2020 issued a show cause notice to Nabakumar Soronia, giving him the opportunity to defend his status. After a prolonged hearing that had taken place, Nabakumar Soronia submitted 2 of his replies, one on 31st of August 2020 and subsequently on 21st of December in 2020. And once the hearing was completed, finally the state level inquiry committee delivered its judgment on 12th of January 2024 this year, and it was clearly found out that Nabakumar Soronia does not belong to the category of Boru Kochari, on the basis of which he obtained the certificate in 2011. And subsequently, after the opinion of the state level inquiry committee on 28th of January 2024, his caste certificate was cancelled by the concerned authority. Against the opinion of the state level and findings of the state level inquiry verification committee or scrutiny committee, Nabakumar Soronia lodged a writ petition in the Honorable Guwahati High Court on 4th of March, and after prolonged hearing on 10th and 11th of April, the Honorable Court in the Court of My Lord Justice S.K. Medhi today delivered the judgment in the morning hours. And in the judgment, the Honorable Court was pleased to dismiss the writ petition filed by Nabakumar Soronia. The overall meaning of dismissal of the writ petition is very clear, that the decision of the state government state level scrutiny committee of 12 January 2024, by which it was found that Nabakumar Soronia's caste certificate was not validly given or rightly given, that opinion and that finding of the state level inquiry committee was found to be correct, and Honorable Court upheld the decision of the state government regarding cancellation of his caste certificate. One very important thing that has been expressed by the Honorable Court was that Honorable Court was really surprised that Nabakumar Soronia, till 41st year of his life, he did not apply for any caste certificate. And on top of that, the state that All Assam Tribal Sangha that issued the certificate in 2011 issued the certificate without any material, without any basis, without any verification that Nabakumar Soronia belongs to tribal community. So that is a very interesting observation of the Honorable Court while dismissing his writ petition. The opinion of the state government is very clear. All these reserve category seats are to be meant for the actual deserving person, the real person who belongs to that reserve category. They should contest. Now, from the findings of the Honorable Court today, it has been very clearly, it is discerned that Nabakumar Soronia, without being a tribal person, he represented a tribal constituency for 2 long terms in the parliament. So that loss has been done to the tribal community, who actually should have been there in the parliament representing their community. So this is the status today. But the Honorable Supreme Court in Madhuri Patil's case very clearly said if somebody has obtained a certificate fraudulently, there should be criminal prosecution against him or the authority who has issued it. So those things will definitely follow now.
নমস্কাৰ, মই আমাৰ কোকৰাঝাৰবাসী বতাহ ৰাইজলৈ আপোনালোকে বহু আশা কৰি আছিল যে আজি আমাৰ হাইকোৰ্টৰ কেছটো ভাল হ'ব আৰু আমি নমিনেশ্যন দিব পাৰিম। কিন্তু দুৰ্ভাগ্য যে আজি কেছৰ ৰায়দান আমাৰ বিপক্ষে গৈছে। আমি মহামান্য আদালতক আমি শ্ৰদ্ধা সন্মান কৰোঁ। এই সম্পৰ্কত আমাৰ কোনো অভিযোগ নাই, কাৰণ যিহেতু চৰকাৰী পক্ষই ষড়যন্ত্ৰমূলকভাৱে আমাৰ ওপৰত এইবিলাক কৰিছে, গতিকে তেনেকুৱা ক্ষেত্ৰত সকলোৰে এটা আশা আছিল যে হয়তো এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হ'ব পাৰে। এতিয়া যিয়ে নহওক, অহা 29 তাৰিখে আমি নমিনেশ্যন দিম। আমাৰ যিখিনি শুভাকাংক্ষী সমৰ্থক বা স্পেচিয়েলি আমাৰ যিসকল কৰ্মী আছে, তেখেতসকলক আমি আমন্ত্ৰণ জনাইছোঁ। আমি আশা কৰিছোঁ যে অহাকালি নমিনেশ্যনৰ পিছত 20 তাৰিখত যদি স্কুটিনিত নৱভানীয়া ষ্টেণ্ড হয় এজ এ MP কেণ্ডিডেট হিচাপে, তেতিয়াহ'লে নিশ্চিতভাৱে আমি এই ৰাজনৈতিক সংগ্ৰামখন আগবঢ়াই লৈ যাব পাৰিম। গতিকে তাৰ কাৰণে অলৰেডি আমি হাইকোৰ্টত আকৌ এপ'জ কৰা হৈছে। ৰাইজে নিশ্চিন্ত থাকক, আপোনালোকে আমাৰ প্ৰতি যিখিনি আস্থা ভৰসা বিশ্বাস ৰাখিছে সেইখিনি অটুট থাকক। আমি যিকোনো বিপদ বা যিকোনো এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ পৰিস্থিতিৰ কাৰণে যুঁজাৰ কাৰণে আমি ৰেডি আছোঁ, আৰু আপোনালোকে আমাক যিখিনি ছাপৰ্ট বা যিখিনি সহায় সহযোগিতা কৰিছে তাৰ কাৰণে মই আটাইলৈ কৃতজ্ঞতা হওঁ, ধন্যবাদ জনাইছোঁ।